So friends, I have not signed into Taobao app because it was confusing and it was not straightforward. And also it was not in English. So I've shown you how you can translate this to English, but the signing part is left to you if you really want to go ahead and do this part. This is the Taobao app. And when you come to the website, you see everything is in Chinese, and even to log in you will be confused where to start with. So the best way to sign in is to come on laptop and not on mobile. Once you're done with, you know what you have subscribed to, what you have signed into, and then you can download the app and integrate everything and do your shopping. Once you're on this app, you see here, please log in, sign up for free. You have option here, or you have option here, sign in now. Whichever is your comfort, let me go from here, sign in now. You can scan the QR code to log in, that is Taobao app, or you can enter sign up for free. Click here. Again, select English. I'm in Canada, so by default it shows Canada, and it's asking for the mobile number, and then the mobile will get the verification code. So let me enter that and then click get verification code. Then you go through this verification process. Just select this image on snipping tool, and once you take this to Google Lens and translate, you will be shown, for example, here it is asking please click and submit what it contains, make those selections. These are all the shopping items. You check from here and do the submit. After doing this part, I'm not comfortable going ahead with this app for sure. In case you are interested and you think this is going to be worth your time and money, then you can check this out. Thanks, guys. Also, looks like as part of the verification process, it wants your passcode, which I'm not comfortable to share. And that's why I'm stopping here.